Across from the front of Hotel Villa Sol on Calle Loma Bonita is Casa Loma Bonita, and this is Casita C. Enter through a locked gate into a shared garden. Into Casita C. Small private porch. All the doors have screens and iron locks on them, in addition to the lock at the street level. This is a small sitting and kitchen area, really well equipped with everything you would need in your kitchen. A full-size refrigerator, 4-burner stove. The bedroom has 2 matrimonial size beds. Air conditioner, really large closet. Large bathroom with lots of storage. Tremendous shower with great hot water and tremendous water pressure. In the back of the house, there's a small laundry area, place to hang your clothes, access to a washing machine, private residence in the back. Casita C at Casa Loma Bonita.